Hello everyone and welcome to task number 2. In this task, we are going to import our libraries and dataset. So let's get started. If you guys remember from the previous lecture, is that we learned in task number 1, we understood the problem statement, and we knew right now that we just wanted to create a simple linear regression model that can relate two variables together. That's all what it is. Okay, so and please note that in this case study, we are going to primarily stick to Amazon SageMaker Studio. If you guys prefer to use the old way or the other way of doing or creating the notebook instance, as I showed you guys earlier, by all means you can do that. But here I just wanted to show you the Amazon SageMaker Studio, and we're going to stick with SageMaker Studio in this case study. So first, I need to import my libraries and datasets. So first, I'm going to import pandas as PD. And if you guys have done any programming courses in Python, you will find that these packages are extremely helpful and they are very, very important when you are doing any data science project. So pandas is primarily used for data frame manipulations. Think of this as kind of an Excel basically within Python. So it's going to be very, very handy. I'm going to make our life much easier. We're going to import NumPy as NP. And NumPy is a package that is used for numerical analysis. And then we're going to use Seaborn and Matplotlib. And these are going to primarily be used to perform visualizations and plotting. So we're going to plot images and pretty figures using Matplotlib and Seaborn. To run this cell, you can simply go here and click Run. And here we go. Or you can press Shift-Enter to run the cell. Okay? All right. The next step is that I wanted to use pandas to read my CSV file. If you guys remember, here I have my data. So salary.csv, that's my simple data. So you can say your file, which is salary.csv, and the data will be loaded here in my salary_df, which is my data frame. Let's press Shift Enter. Here we go. Looks good. And let's take a look at salary DF. Shift Enter. And here we go. So now I have my index. So this is my index here. So it looks like I have 35 samples. Again, they start from 0 up till 34. So now I have 35 entries. Here I have two columns. I have the number of years of experience and I have my salary. Okay. Again, simply put, if the employee has 1.1 years of experience, their salary is around $39,000 approximately. As they become more experienced, as they become more valuable, you will see that their salary tend to go up. For example, as maybe they have 5 years of experience, they might be making $66,000. As they go up, maybe now they are a lot more experienced. They are making, they have 13 years of experience. Now they can make up till $140 approximately $1,000. Okay. All right. So now it's time for a mini challenge. What I want you guys to do is to please go ahead, do a little bit of research, and I want you to use the head and tail methods to print the first and last 7 rows of the data frame. Simply put, I just wanted to plot only the 7 rows in here and the last 7 rows in here as well, okay, using the head and tail methods. So I want you guys to just quickly do a very quick Google search, just kind of to expand your knowledge a little bit and try to experiment with some code. If you guys obviously took any Python programming course before, that should be a piece of cake. It should be very simple. And the next mini challenge, I want you guys to try to find the maximum salary value in the data frame. I just want you guys to just use, some method or some function to try to come up with the maximum salary value in the data frame. Okay, please go ahead, pause the video, and I will see you guys after the challenge. All right, I hope you guys were able to figure out the challenge. What I ask you guys to do is to simply use the head and tail methods. So I can simply say my salary_df, and I can say dot head, and I can simply pass along, I need my 7 rows, right? I need 7 data points. So I can simply select 7, press Shift Enter, and here we go. So now I have the first 7 entries that start from 0 up till 6. Okay, looks great. You can insert new cells in here by pressing A. So you can go here and just press A again. That will create new cells. You can, to visualize or to plot and print the last 7 rows, you can say salary underscore df dot tail, and then I need to specify 7, shift enter, here we go. So now I have the last 7 entries, again from 28 up till 34, okay? All right. The next step is I wanted to find the maximum salary value in the data frame. Again, very simple. You can say salary underscore df. You can say dot. I'm looking for the maximum salary value. So you can say, okay, please go ahead to my salary column and please make sure that S here is uppercase. And you can simply say, I need to find the maximum value. So dot max, shift enter, and here we go. So it's telling me the maximum value is $139,000. And obviously you can easily read it here because it corresponds to the employee who has the highest or largest number of years of experience. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's all what I have for this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In the next task, we're going to perform some exploratory data analysis and visualizations. So please stay tuned and please enjoy AWS SageMaker practical course. And I will see you guys in the next lecture.